channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove any video background. Any means any video background. You can remove it following my steps, and in this tutorial I'll show you and I'll explain to you. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, in order to do this you need an app named CapCut, which you can download from Google Play Store. So I'm just going to fire up my CapCut. Okay, I just opened it, and I'm going to click on New Project. Once I click on New Project, and I have some video background I want to use. For example, this one right here. This is the background I want to use. Click Add. See, this is background is added. After this thing is done, step number 2, which would be next step, we're going to click on Overlay. Then click on Add Overlay. And then I'm going to choose a picture. I want to remove the background. Just going to click Add. See, it's already added. And keep in mind, you need to set the picture according to the background. Let me just show you how I do it. So I'm just gonna put it down a little bit, and you can adjust like any way you want, so it's really up to you. So once it's done, so I'm just gonna click on that picture at the bottom, the one I want to remove the background. So just click on it, and then you're just gonna slide it to the left, and see, it says cut out. Hit cut out, and then see right here, remove background. Tap on that. As you can see on the screen, it's removing the background. Wait until it's finished. So I guess background removed, and let me just show you how does it look like. So this is how you remove the background, and also you can add your preferred music if you want. So I'm just gonna add a little more overlay over here in order to cover up the full background. So I'm just gonna go back and tap on overlay. Okay, sorry, start this one. Okay, see, add overlay, because I just wanted to cover the full background. So I'm just gonna hit overlay, and then I'm gonna choose the same picture background. Okay, I'm just gonna click on add. Then once I come over here, again I'm gonna adjust the picture, and then tap over here, and you just slide it up. So let's play the video and see how does it look like. Looks pretty good, right? So this is how you can remove any picture background and add your, like, astonishing background. So as you can see, this portion did not remove. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna click it over here, right here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing I did it before. So in that case, I'm just gonna click on cutout, remove background. I'm just gonna wait until it's done. It's all done. Let's play it, see how does it look like. this portion over here, right here. So it's just gonna go away. Okay, gone. You just tap it on the screen. Let's play again. I just want to be like 100% sure, make sure everything is good to go. Everything looks good, and that way I want. Make sure it meets my requirement. So this is how you do it. It's pretty easy and very simple. And I hope you like this video, and the video is like informative and enjoyable. So if you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comment down below how's your experience like removing your video background. Again, until next time, you guys stay fit. Thanks for watching.